Welcome to Natural Beauty Adventure, guys. Today we are going to Muzaffarabad, Kashmir, Azad Kashmir. Hello guys, we are in Shahi Qila, Muzaffarabad. Let's see what we see in this. We are just going inside and the Shahi Qila. And there is behind me, you see, there is a river which is also very beautiful. And the door is changed. There is kind of a door. It will be changed into the steel iron one. So let's see what we see inside. Guys, we just entered, like it's look like a room. I don't know what is it. There is no board, mention board here. Sorry, so that I will see that and describe you. But it look like a room, and most of this is damage. Guys, here is a word of history about the Shahi Qila archaeology department. Guys, this is a place where different sports are done here, like fighting of hands, and different festival singing will happen here. Guys, you see just behind me there is a room like area, which is rooms in the Shahi Qila. And here is a little bit garden behind me. You see there's a garden of the Shahi Qila, and here is also in the different rooms. I will show in this video clearly. Different rooms are here, so I will try to make a video clear about these things. It is a very beautiful view from here. Guys, these look like rooms also. Let's see what is it inside. It's very dark, but it's look like rooms, so I'm very careful about. Oh, there is a water here due to the rain last night. It's look like rooms. Guys, it's a room. Also, see, it's very dark here, so the video is not clear here. So we go outside, and it's also very dangerous because the ceiling have a water falling. I will show you this leaking the water. The department cannot look here perfectly, so maybe it's going to destroy. So the department should take care of it. Guys, we are just under the Shahi Qila. You see behind me there. The most thing that I like in Muzaffarabad is this walking track. It's about 2 kilometers from trek, and it's just outside from the river Jhelum Neelum river. It is a Neelum river, so just above the Neelum river. It's very looking amazing. In hot season, people come here for walking, so there is also river, so you can get a cool freeze water. So I will show you a little bit. It start from there. It's another side of the industrial also, and it's from their side too. So we go this side and show you how long, and we are going to up right there. So therefore we showing this. Just reach on the top from here. Now we're going to see the Eidgah, which is the one of the biggest mosque in Muzaffarabad. Guys, you just see Eidgah Sharif. Now we are showing some market area which kulche and the kebab is very famous in Muzaffarabad. Let's see, go inside the market. guys, this is a night view of the Muzaffarabad. You see just behind me there is a very beautiful lighting.